What's up, YouTube? So to continue on from my last tutorial, basically we created a node for WaykiChain on WaykiChain using WaykiChain software, and that's on our desktop now. And we're in the node, but we really don't know what to do with it, right? We don't know how to interact with it. So get info, right? Gets information about the blockchain. Now let's get more specific. Let's take this tip block height, and basically at this specific height, which is this block, a single block, and let's get more detail about that block and see what's going on. So get block, and so we get more deep. We get to know how many transactions partic in that particular block, and the such. Now, how did I know that information? Well, if you do coind help, you'll get a list of all the commands for this Json RPC. And these commands pretty much do everything you need. Now, I just showed you two commands. Now, what about creating an address, right? Let's say you wanted to create an address so someone can send you coins, particularly WICC. Now, we do address, and we see get new address. So that looks like that's it. So let's go ahead and coind get a new address, and there you go. I just created a new address. There's also a cool function that helps you utilize a method. If you're not sure how to use it, you can coind help. I made a mistake. I posted the address. I wanted to type get new address. Did I spell that wrong? Address. There you go. And basically it shows us all the arguments that it takes. It gives us even an example of how to use it. So that's very useful for going like deeper with these commands. Another interesting command that's pretty common is coind get list, or I forgot the name. It's address. I think it's list. Oh, it's list address, right? I want to know how many addresses have been made and created here. So we coind list address. Bit slow. There you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 have been created by me.